Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, very interesting Olympiad problem, that is xy plus z equal to 026, x plus yz equal to 027. Find the value of x, y and z. So we will solve this as we will subtract both the equations. Consider this is the 1 and this is 2. So subtract two from 1. That means we will write x plus yz minus xy plus z equal 2027 minus 2026. Now we will write this as x plus yz minus xy minus z equals 1. Now there is a condition that we have arranged this x minus xy and minus z plus yz equals 0. Take x as common from this. This is 1 minus y. And take minus z common. This is 1 minus y equals 1. Now there are two conditions. We have 1 minus y and x minus z all are equal 1. So what are the possible factors to solve this? Write this here equation, that is 1 minus y into x minus z equals 1. This gives us factors of 1 are, first we write 1 times 1 is 1 and minus 1 times minus 1 is also 1. So we will apply 1 minus y equal 1, x minus z equal 1. So we have 1 minus y equal 1 gives minus y equal 1 minus 1, y is 0. From this we have x equals 1 plus z. This is the value of x. Now in equation 2 we have x plus z equal x plus yz. We have 2027. Since y is 0, so what will be it become? We get x plus 0 equal to 027. That means x is 2027. What will be the value of z? So x is 2027 equal 1 plus z. So z is 2027 minus 1. That gives z equal to 020. So this is the value of z. Now we will write the final answer here. We get x equals 2027, y equals 0 and z equals 2026. So this is the final answer. Similarly, if we do this for minus 1, we will get the same result. Now we will do the verification. So verify this in equation 1. X is 2027, y is 0 and z is 2026. That is 2026 equals right hand side. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watching you in the next video. Stay tuned.